So today I'm making jollof rice my way. Nigerian jollof, that is. So you want to start off by making your chicken broth. I season my chicken with curry, thyme, rosemary leaves, ginger, garlic, onions, adobo, and some salt. Next, prepare your puree. Blend up tomatoes, red bell peppers, red onions, and habanero peppers. Heat up some vegetable oil on medium heat. Add onions, curry, thyme, and tomato paste. Let fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add in your puree, followed by curry, thyme, and rosemary leaves. And for mine, I like to add a hint of nutmeg, some adobo, seasoning, and salt to taste. Cover up and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that sauce, beautiful. Next, add in your washed parboiled rice. Next, you want to sieve out the broth from the chicken that you prepared earlier. Add it into the rice, stir in. And then we want to make sure we suffocate the rice. So get an aluminum foil and cover it up. Cook on very, very low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, you can fry your chicken. Time to unveil our creation. Ooh, yeah. Okay, prepare your garnish and add butter, tomatoes, onions, maybe some red bell peppers, just however you want to garnish to your taste. Stir in. Yes, baby, keep stirring your beautiful creation, which is the Nigerian jollof, the best jollof in the world. And voila, we are done. Look at that, beautiful. It's all about plating, guys. Enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, later.